The important thing at this point of the course is that you become familiar with the creation of applications based on .NET Maui, and it is for this reason that we're going to create a second application so that you continue putting in practice your knowledge. The application that we're going to create is an application that is going to allow you to calculate the total amount to be paid by each person in case you split expenses and you want to leave a tip. It is this application that we see here. In the upper part we see the information of the divided bill. This data is going to be changed once we enter an amount as part of the bill. Let's modify this amount. For example, let's put a number 100, assuming that this number is the total of an account. Automatically, see how at the top the information has already been updated, showing what is the total to be paid by each person. We have the subtotal and the bill and how much tip we want to add. This amount appears because we have at the bottom the total number of people among whom the bill will be divided. If we increase this value, automatically the recalculation is carried out and we can see what is the total amount to be paid by each person. We can also add the tip in the percentage. We have 3 buttons that allow us to select percentages quickly. We can select each of the buttons and in this way the slider at the bottom is updated according to the value we have selected. We can also, if we wish, select a specific percentage up to 50% and automatically the amount is calculated for each of the people who are being taken into account. It is this application that we're going to develop throughout this section.